Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting Snapchat Plus. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Snapchat Plus enables you to preview all of the new Snapchat features before anyone else. You may also get exclusive features to Plus members. To get Snapchat Plus, open the Snapchat app and tap on your user icon in the top left corner. Then tap the Settings cog in the top right. In Settings, tap Snapchat Plus. Choose Subscribe. At the bottom, you can swipe through the subscription options. Tap View All Plans to see all of the different subscription options. You can choose between monthly, annual, friends and family, and platinum. Pick which option suits you best, then tap Subscribe. Now follow the steps on screen to enter the payment info and complete the purchase. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.